dito po sa company na ipapakilala namin sa inyo. Okay, so we will start our presentation now. The company is named Fulgent Wellness Corporation. At tonight, bukod po doon sa mga testimony na narinig nyo, gusto ko rin pong ipakilala sa inyo ang company by showing you a video. A video of one of the owners. Actually, it's the
Malaking
president of the
realization ang nangyari
company.
sa amin nung COVID pandemic. Di lang dahil naging delikado ang magkasakit, lalong naging stressful ang buhay ng mga tao. Mas marami ring naging health conscious. Marami rin nawalan ng trabaho at that time. That's why we thought of this business to cater to both those who want to stay healthy and those who want to sell high-quality wellness products. Actually, kasi dati din, I used to be very overweight. Borderline obese pa nga, many years ago. So, naging practice ko na rin na maging healthy. Naisip ko what better business to take on where I can benefit myself. Pinili namin na mabuti kung ano yung magandang produkto na makaka-counter sa nakakahina ng katawan. Fulgent Wellness was established in the middle of the COVID pandemic and we chose our products to focus on maintaining body wellness for many people. Unfortunately, nung panahon ng Delta, kabansagan ng COVID, isa sa mga business partners ko tinamaan na ICU siya, twice intubated, tumagal siya sa ospital ng halos 2 buwan. Some of our products actually helped in his recovery to the surprise of his doctors. Matatag ang commitment namin to provide high-quality food supplements and products and as well as yung rewarding compensation plan para sa lahat ng members namin. Whether they're consumers, sellers, or product endorsers. Patuloy kami sa pag-expand at improve ng mga learning programs para sa aming mga affiliates upang makatulong sa kanilang negosyo with us. Definitely, we will carry more products as well as incentives in the future. Kasama na doon ang local at international travel incentives para sa aming top affiliates. We will continue to enhance our technology and services to help our affiliates do business with us. I can guarantee both our current and future affiliates that we will continue to innovate with them in mind. Malaking realization.
Wow. So narinig po natin na from the company, from the one of the owners, the top officer po natin ngayon, ang commitment ng company, ang mission, at ang patuloy na innovation na gagawin po ng company natin. Ano po? For the product lines, we are in the full food food supplement industry, no po? Because ina-address po based on research na ang lahat po ng sakit ay nagkukulang ang nutrition. Yun po ang cause, no po? Kaya naman po yung products natin is targeting cellular nutrition. Yun po yung kailangan talaga para hindi pa man malala, nagsisimula pa lang yung sakit, ay naaagapan na agad. Because kadalasan naman po, no, bukod po sa kulang sa nutrition, nagda-damage po ang cells as we age. Natural po yun. Maaring nagiging cause din po ng mga virus or bacteria, ganyan. And at the same time, ito po yung mga hindi na natin maiwasan, which are free radicals, pollutions, most of all, stress. Gayon din po ang paggamit ng gadget. So, all of these things, nadala po ng kakulangan sa nutrition, sa lifestyle, no po, and sa technology ngayon, hindi na po natin maiwasan. Kaya kailangan na po talaga natin ng products na tutulong na magpalakas sa ating katawan and at the same time to support yung pong sinabi ng president natin na sa mga nawalan ng trabaho or nangangailangan ng additional income, we can also help. So health and wealth empowerment. So pag-usapan po natin muna yung health. We aim to change the lives, our lives, no po? And ayan po papasok yung ating product lines for health empowerment. First of all, lahat po ng products natin, FDA approved, halal certified po yan. Kaya po naman safe at meron ka ngayong ah, guarantee na and confidence na quality yung tinetake nating products. Okay? Our flagship product is Fulgen Placenta. And the major ingredient of our Fulgen Placenta is from the deer from Switzerland. And also Swiss apple stem cell. Yan pong combination na yan produces the stem cell na nandyan po sa ating product. At alam po naman natin na ang stem cell helps rejuvenate, repair, and restore damaged cells. Ganun po kaganda. Do po. Of course, we have other ingredients na nandyan pa rin. Pero lahat po yan ay nakakatulong sa pag-slow down ng aging. Pero hindi lang yung slowing down the aging process. Actually, pagka siya ay tinetake mo regularly, meron siyang reverse aging effect. Nakakatulong siya talaga not only for looking younger, but feeling younger as well. Why feeling younger? Because nandiyan na po yung energy, nagkakaroon ka ng healthy glowing skin, you feel more positively dahil magkakaroon ka ng good mental and cognitive health. Of course, kaya rin po natin pinagmamalaki ang Fulgen Placenta is we are using the latest technology. We have our enteric-coated delayed release capsule kung saan yung pong ating product, ano po, ay lumalagpas sa sikmura para hindi po natatapon yung ingredients, no po? Yan po ay nakakatuloy ng diretso sa atin pong small intestine. At dito po sa more alkaline environment sa ating small intestine, diyan po nare-release yung ingredients. Diyan kasi natutunaw yung capsule. And once na-release yung ingredients, yung villi I will help absorb these ingredients directly into the bloodstream or our circulatory system. Kaya naman po, walang nasasayang na ingredient, no po? Also, we're using the freeze-drying technology or lyophilization kung saan at a freezing temperature, tinanggal po yung mga moisture, tinanggal po yung water content or fluid content, very pure yung ating ingredients, and then it is turned into powder form. Kasi sa powder form, although mas mahal po ang cost, no, nitong lyophilization, we are assured that tatagal po yung shelf life, no? Hindi madaling mapanis yung ating product or ingredients. Okay? So yan po ang ating flagship product which is Fulgent Placenta from Switzerland. Ayan. The second supplement that we have is the M3 factor. Ito po talaga yung napakagandang partner ng ating Fulgent Placenta. It supplies our daily dose of essential vitamins and minerals, the vitamin C, vitamin D, and the key minerals of magnesium, selenium, and zinc. Yan pong limang yan ang sabi ng mga doctors na kailangan ng ating katawan para maging malakas at humaba ang ating buhay. Hindi lang po yan. Meron diyang kasamang mga natural herbs, no, na napakaganda po ng effect. For example, the muscadine, which is very high in antioxidant value. We have the mangosteen na talaga namang ginagamit na noon pa man sa ating folk medicine in treating certain diseases. No po? And we have maca root. Ano po yung maca root? It's also known as Peruvian ginseng, giving us extra energy and also helping in our yung mga may problems sa fertility and sexual orientation, sexual problems. No po pag nagkakaedad na po, 'di ba, no? Or nagkakaroon ng problems sa reproductive system. Ito pong macarot, very effective diyan. So it helps the metabolism, nakakatulong din siya sa pag-weight management kasi gumaganda yung metabolism natin. Ano po? Also, of course, you will have that extra vitality, stamina, and energy. Kaya din malakas yung ating immune system. At yung ating mga bones, cartilage, teeth, lahat po yan nagiging stronger, hindi madaling magkaroon ng mga osteoporosis to po because this helps in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Meron din po yung memory retention and capacity. Kaya naman po nakakatulong para hindi po tayo madaling magkaroon ng problem sa brain or sa mental problem. For example, katulad ng sakit na Alzheimer's or dementia. Kaya ganyan po kaganda yung second food supplement natin na M3 factor. The third food supplement that we have is our Fulgent H Life glutathione. Alam naman po natin ang glutathione. And ordinarily, pag tinanong mo para saan yan, pampaputi or pampaganda ng balat. Yes, of course, but that's just the positive side effect ng ating H-Life glutathione. Actually, ang talaga pong ginagawa ng gluta is fighting the accumulated stress sa body natin. Ano po? It's very high in antioxidant. And actually, yan pong ating H-Life glutathione ay hindi nyo makikita sa market kasi wala siyang kapareho. Ang ating pong H-Life has three active and patented ingredients. Yun palang ating H-Life glutathione is imothione. It's trademark, it's patented, it's the proprietary is acetylglutathione from Europe. Kaya po kakaiba yan. It is very superior and it has a clinical study proving na 100% po ang absorption sa body nitong imothione. Meron pa po yung additional patented ingredients sa ating H-Life. Nandyan din po ang ashwagandha by KSM 66, no? Which is, they're saying and claiming and proving that they are the world's best ashwagandha. Alam nyo ba na ang ashwagandha is an adaptogen? It helps our body adapt to stress. And kung meron po diyang hindi pa na-stress, paki-shout out lang. Pakilagay po dyan na sa atin, ano? Or if you agree na ikaw naman ay na-stress na, paki-shout out pa rin. Because totoo naman po na lahat po halos tayo nakaranas na stress. Okay? Ito pong ating ashwagandha helps our body control or adapt to stress. No po? And if you are experiencing weight gain because of stress eating, nakakatulong din po yan makakontrol sa weight gain. Okay? So yan po yung second patented ingredient. The third patented ingredient is the astaxanthin by Astaking. Alam niyo po ba na this astaxanthin coming from the red algae is a super antioxidant that is 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C and 1,100 times more powerful than vitamin E. Kaya naman po, hindi lang anti-aging, kung hindi immune boosting pa ang ating H-Life glutathione. Kaya ito pong ating mga food supplements na to talaga naman pong kailangan na natin. So kung ikaw nasa 40 years old na, we really recommend you start taking Fulgent Placenta because by that age, tayo po ay bumabagal na ang sariling production ng stem cell. 19 years old pataas, you can start taking M3 factor and H-Life glutathione. Kasi talaga naman pong syempre concerned ka na sa image mo, you need more energy, you need more protection, you need to be more healthy. Yan na po yung kasama sa ating regimen, healthy regimen. So yan po yung tatlo nating food supplements, no po. But we also have beverages. Ito na po yung maganda. Alam ko, alam niyo, narinig niyo na ang barley grass juice. At alam ko that the commonest na reaction kapag tinatanong ko ano po ba ang lasa ng ginyong barley ininom, ang sagot ay lasang damo. Okay? Naturally, kasi barley grass nga. Pero our full green barley grass juice is from organic barley juice that passed through an ambient temperature spray drying process. Ito po ang proseso na nagtanggal ng lasang damo or grassy flavor sa ating full green barley grass juice at na-retain yung nutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan. So, dinagdagan pa rin yan ng lemon cucumber flavor. Kaya naman very refreshing kapag tinake po natin. Hindi lamang po yan refreshing. Meron po yung ingredients, for example, like barley grass extract, of course, stevia, a sweetener, S-acetylglutathione. So may anti-aging ka. Marine collagen, sodium ascorbate, vitamin C, L-cysteine, Swiss apple stem cell, and magnesium citrate. Ang dinagdag na kailangan natin dito ay ang NMN or nicotinamide mononucleotide. In short lang po, para matandaan natin, pampahaba po ng buhay yan. Okay, paano? Because it helps repair DNA. Yung pong ends ng DNA, yung telomeres, o paikli ng paikli yan, parang signal po yun na paikli ng paikli rin yung buhay natin. Well, it helps repair the telomeres. Okay? Ganun po. And even yung sinasabi na um, family related diseases, minamana, no po, natutulungan pong ma-repair yan and ma-prevent. Okay? So yan po ang ating beverage and this, kahit po 9 years old pataas, pwede nyo na pong painumin ng barley grass juice na full green. Okay? We also have our Ella Life Milk. Ang ating pong Ella Life Milk ay banana flavored, no po? Kaya po masarap siya actually. At meron po siyang ingredients for energy, for longevity, and longevity. So para po for beauty, napakaganda na po sa balat yan. May stem cell din po yan. Meron din po yung glutathione. Okay? Para naman po sa ating energy, nandyan din po yung importanteng vitamins and minerals and the NMN as well. Yung nagre-repair ng DNA. No po? And also, ayun po yung pang-longevity natin. Okay? So, another beverage is we have our Fulgent Gold 15-in-1 coffee. So, ang coffee po natin ay hindi lang pampagising. Actually, food supplementation na rin siya. Kasi these 15 ingredients na nandyan po, very powerful and helps also control weight gain and blood sugar. Okay? So makikita nyo po talaga na talaga namang tinupad ng company yung to help everyone be healthier. Do po, yan po ang ating products. Of course, hindi natin kakalimutan na kailangan protektahan din ang largest organ ng ating katawan, which is our skin. Okay? Dahil skin po, yung ating first defense. No po? And we have our Full Glow 21-in-1 soap. Grabe, talaga naman. Ano po? 21 ingredients po yan. Hindi ko na po isahin yan. Pero nandiyan na rin po yung ating stem cell, may glutathione, may collagen. Okay, meron po yang um, Okay? Meron po yang bukod sa stem cell, yung gold. Okay? Biro mo, liligo ka, may gold, no po? And meron po yung goat's milk. Okay, of course, and then combined with the essential oils, no po, from fruits and vegetables, flour extracts as well. So yan po yung ating products, no po. And don't worry because we will have a product-focused presentations as well kung saan kung gusto nyo matutunan ang details sa bawat product, pupunta po tayo dyan. Okay? Now, these products have really changed the lives of our partners, no po, or customers. Dahil sa ating po product na yan, may mga amazing testimonies po tayo. I want you to take note na dito po sa testimonies natin, iba-iba po ang age range, iba-iba po ang gender, iba't iba rin ang karamdaman nila, pero patuloy po at pare-parehong natulungan sila. Kasi nga po, ang ating product ay ang tinarget ay cellular nutrition and cellular protection. Okay, ayan, ano po. So let's see. Ito po, we have here a female senior who suffered for Parkinsonism. 2 years po yan. Wala na rin pag-asa ang sabi ng mga doktor. Pero nang nag-take po ng products natin, in 2 months, eto na po, nakakapag-mall na po siya. Meron din po tayong male, 38 years old, complicated with tuberculosis, kidney disease, as well as diabetes. Pinasok sa ICU, sabi po ng doctors, wala na ring pag-asa, iuwi na lang. Pero nung nag-take po ng products natin, eto na po. Dati bedridden, hindi makaupong mag-isa. In 2 weeks time, nakakatayo, nakakalakad, at eto na po siya. Meron din po tayong stroke patient. Katulad nung nasa video kanina. Di po ba? Narinig ninyo. Pero dito po, si Mr. Shap, no naman, bedridden din, di na makatayo pero nang nag-take na po ng products natin, in 5 days, naglalakad na ng walang tungkod and in 20 days, nakakapag-jogging na po siya sa loob ng bahay. We also have a case of autoimmune disease, this um, systemic lupus erythematosus, no, manifesting sa mga swelling, redness, tenderness, painful sa face niya po, no, at saka sa mga kamay, sa mga extremities niya. Dito po makikita natin 4 days lang ang laki na po ng changes. Ayan po yung pictures, no? And then, dito po yung latest natin, suffering from psoriasis for 23 years. Imagine, at ang ibang psoriasis nakatago, ang sa kanya po masakit. Halos buong katawan. Pati ang mukha, ayan po sa picture, ano? Pati mukha niya, mga kamay, leeg, yan, pabalik-balik. So marami ng scars, marami na po talagang sugat. Actually, ito pong latest photos niya before taking our product was taken February 2024, so last year. No po? But after taking our products and using our soap for 1.5 months, eto na po siya, yung after picture niya, no? Makikita niyo po, nag-clear na po yung skin, nawala na rin po yung sugat at halos hindi na makita yung scars. Okay, so ilan lang po yan sa mga testimonies natin. And we can really say that Fulgent has changed our lives. Lahat po kami maraming testimony sa health. Pero hindi lang po yan. Kanina, meron din tayong wealth empowerment. So, kaya naman po, napakahalaga po na when you really know the effect of our products, you must become an affiliate or a partner. That's the only way kasi that you can be in the system at makikip track yung activities mo. Alam nyo ba na dito sa atin sa Fulgent, by just sharing the product, may rewards ka na. Then, if you want to make it a career or a full-time income, kaya-kaya mo na. Okay? We have packages that can be customized for you. Bibili ka lang ng product. For example, we have our starter pack, no po? Kung saan meron ka ng tatlong products. Meron kang bottle ng M3 Factor, meron kang isang box ng coffee, meron kang isang sabon. At alam nyo ba, as customer, pag binili nyo po yan, 5,500 plus. But if you want to become a partner, you can purchase the starter package at 3,380 pesos only. So very affordable na meron ka na agad na tatlong product and you are already a partner ng Fulgent. Nasa system ka na. Okay? Imagine, yun lang ang binili mo. You have a lifetime membership already. Meron ka ng sariling business account portal or back office kung saan makikip track mo yung activities mo, yung sales mo, yung partners mo, okay? And where you can withdraw your commission. Okay? Weekly po. Basta meron kang nakitang withdrawable commission dyan, pwedeng-pwede mo nang i-withdraw. So today, Monday is withdrawal day. Okay. So pag may commission ka, withdraw it today, you will receive it by either earliest talaga po Thursday or latest na ang Friday. It will go directly to your bank account or even to your GCash number. Okay? Ganun po kadali ang system natin. Now, what are the other packages? You can have more than that set of product. Mayroon pong doble like the builder pack at 6,680. We also have the premium packages. Sa premium pack, like for example, ang pack A is Fulgent Placenta. Kasi yun ang kailangan mo. Oh, when you purchase it at customer ka lang, that is 10,235. Yan po ang ating SRP. But if when you become a partner, ang package mo, Fulgent Placenta, you can purchase it at 9,980 pesos only. Okay, 'di ba? So, maging member ka lang, discounted ka na. Ganun po kaganda. But we are really encouraging everybody to join as Premium Gold Pack. Bakit? Because dito po sa Premium Gold Pack, andyan na ang iyong Fulgent Placenta, andyan na ang iyong H-Life Glutathione, M3 Factor, Fulgent Coffee, and Full Glow Soap. So, 5 products agad. Ano po? And ang halaga po niyan, pag customer ka lang, nasa 20,000 plus. But if you purchase the Premium Gold Pack, 16,980 pesos. O, di ba? At gold account ka. Bago po yan because nagkaroon po ng enhancement sa ating incentive. So, ang goal nating lahat ay maging gold account. So, for the old members, meron tayong ways to become a gold account member. Pero kung bago ka, you can purchase the premium gold pack kasi winner ka na agad. Okay? Now, pwede rin ang user pack. I have to discuss this. Kasi yung iba sabi nila, itry ko muna. Okay, you can try it. Pero ang maganda, when you try it, user pack. Okay? Para sa user pack, try it, purchase one product. Ganun po yun. For example, if you want the soap, 452. If you want the coffee, 567. Okay? Pagka naman po yan ay our beverages, 988. Okay? So, pagka bumili ka niyan, kung gusto mo, nasa system ka na. The next time you buy, may discount ka na as a member. But if you want to maximize your income, you really have to upgrade. So, bibili ka pa rin ng premium gold pa. Okay? So, para mabawasan yun, edi bili ka na agad ng gold pack. Kasi imagine, kahit naman user ka or gold pack ang kinuha mo, meron ka na agad na members replicated website, no? Ready ka na for online e-commerce business, international. Kasi po ang ating replicated website, merong drop shipping. No po, at pwedeng magbayad ang iyong customer as COD, cash on delivery. Pwede rin credit card. Okay. At member ka na, you can have unlimited income potential. Okay? If you want to make this a career, you have to upgrade to premium and meron tayong ranks like achiever rank, rising star rank, and the highest is master rank kung saan lahat po ng requirements niyan, cumulative, no time frame, no back to zero. Kaya walang stress. Okay? But each time you rank up, mas mataas na ang potential income mo. Okay? Ayan po. We also have special deals. For example, for professionals, the doctors. No po? Wala naman yung time para to talk to people, to explain. So sila yung pinupuntahan ng customer, they must have the products within reach. 'Di ba? So, yung patients nila, once na nakita nila na kailangan ng product na ito, okay, sasabihin niya, you take this, let's say, stem cell or fulgent placenta, tanong ng pasyente, Dok, saan ko po ito bibilhin? Dahil hindi yan available sa drugstores, then you can purchase it doon na lang po sa secretary. Okay? So, yun po, kailangan nila. So, because of this, they opt to purchase our platinum package. Ito po yung mga special packages natin where you have special products. You have products, no, all of our products na in a package already. And this is good for regimen as well. So, yung patients or customers na gusto tuloy-tuloy ang inom, pwede rin na ito po ang i-purchase. Pagka naman business-minded ka, nandiyan na sa'yo ang customers, di ba mas mabilis? Kasi pag may kausap ka, sasabihin mo lang, oh, ito kailangan mo, pwede mo na itong bilhin, ito na. O, di ba? Hindi na pupunta sa office. And once you purchase the platinum package, you get more than the amount you paid for. And automatic master rank ka na, gold account ka pa. We also have the mobile stockist at 300,000. Automatic master rank ka rin, gold account. And here you can serve the members as well. Kahit na hindi mo partner. You enjoy 3% discount on entry packages, 7% discount on distributor's price, and 5% on promo items. We do have the latest, which is the FWC store. Kung ikaw ay businessman, meron kang grocery, or meron kang restaurant, or meron kang spa, alam mo ba na yung services mo or yung items mo pwedeng magkaroon ng Fulgent codes? Paano yon? For a certain amount na bibili nila or babayaran nila sa'yo, pwede mo silang bigyan ng codes coming from Fulgent at kasama na po sila sa Unilevel. So, imagine, lahat ng bibili sa iyong community dahil sa grocery mo, bumibili sila, pwede mong maging member because for only a bar of soap, member na sila ng Fulgent. Lahat ng bibili nila sa grocery mo, meron pang codes pasok sa Unilevel system natin. Wow! Kaya naman pati yung mga members nila, may kita pa rin. Ganyan po kaganda ang ating FWC store. And of course, automatic master rank ka na, gold account pa, you will enjoy 4% discount on entry packages, 10% discount on distributor's price, and 6% discount on promo items. And meron ka ng exclusivity right within a congressional district. O, di ba? Wow, hindi ka lang basta grocery. FWC store, and grocery ka na. Ganyan kaganda. Okay? Now, with all of these entry packages to choose from, syempre, pag-usapan po natin ang pay plan. Ito na, importante na, exciting na. Ito na po yung rewards na binigay ng company sa mga partners niya. We have 7 actually, but what we have for number 1 is retail profit. Of course, kapag bumili ka as customer, SRP yan. For example, ang ating Fulgen Placenta, 10,235 per bottle kapag customer ka. Pag member ka na, we have 2 prices. Kapag benta yan sa yung online store, okay, yung replicated website mo, ang nakalagay po dyan ay ang retail profit or e-com price. I'm sorry, e-com price. But you can change that na. Kasi yung iba gusto nila SRP. Tama lang. Kasi ang papasok dyan hindi naman member na. Usually, hindi pa alam yung first time. So, pwede po na ngayon, SRP nakalagay dyan. But you can also give discount days kung saan pwede mong i-reflect yung e-com price ng product natin, yun ang online pricing, and you will have a retail profit for every product. Sample lang placenta, e-com price is 6,880 with a retail profit of 1,500 per bottle. Papasok yan sa yung commission sa back office. Pero kung hindi ka naman nagbebenta online, gusto mo, makuha mo agad yung retail profit mo, you can purchase our products directly from the office, from the mobile stockist, from the FWC store, at distributor's price. Sa ating Fulgen Placenta, ang distributor's price is 5,380. So in short, retail profit is the difference between e-com price and distributor's price. Okay? Pero kung nagbebenta ka at SRP, ang laki ng kita po sa direct selling. So, okay? So, for example, ang M3 factor natin, ang retail profit is 500 per bottle. H Life is 250 per bottle. Ang ating coffee and soap, 80 pesos per piece or box. No po? And for our beverages of Ella Life milk and full green barley grass juice, 100 per box or pouch po yan. Yan po ang retail profit, the difference between e-com price and distributor's price. Okay? That's pay plan number 1. Number 2 is the package sales commission. Kasi ini-encourage natin everybody to become a partner. So when they purchase the package, the business package, you as the direct sponsor will get 10%. Wow. So, halimbawa, ang binili niya, starter pack, you get 10% of the 3,380, you will earn 338. Sa premium pack naman, 9,980, you will earn 998. And eto po, even the user pack ha, meron niya na 45 pesos and 20 centavos. 10% nga eh. Surprisingly at nakaka-excite, yung pinakamaganda po nating package which is the premium gold pack at 16,980, hindi po 10% ang binigay ng company. Ang ating package sales commission ay tumataginting na 3,000 pesos. O di ba? Dapat yan kung 10%, 1,698 lang. But 3,000, hindi lang yan. Nagbigay pa ang company as incentive to you dahil napakagaling mo. Nakapagbenta ka ng premium gold pack, additional 5,000 product points. pwede mong i-redeem ng any product na gusto mo. Wow, cash, 3,000, 5,000 product points. 'Di ba? Exciting. Kaya go po sa Premium Gold Pack. Win-win po 'yan. Winnings para do sa bumili and winnings para sa'yo na nagbenta. Okay? Ayan po. Next number or pay plan number 3 is our sales volume commission or pairing. Okay, alam niyo po ba napakaganda ng pairing natin? For every packages, may binary point. So for every user pack, 0.1 binary point. Sa starter pack, 1 binary point, builder pack, 2 points, and premium pack, 3 binary points. For example, meron kang pumasok na premium pack sa kanan, that's 3 binary points, di ba? Then, nag-spill over yung upline mo sa kaliwa. Importante kahit isa meron ka para pakinabangan mo yung spill over niya. So kung premium niya, 3 points din. Magpe-pair, alam nyo ba? Para sa dalawang premium account na 3 binary points, you will receive a sales volume commission of 1,800 pesos. Magkano ang pay rate? 1,800 pesos. Mataas po yan. Sa industry, sa ngayon, sa trend, mataas po ang pairing commission natin. At hindi ka maghihintay. Kung may waiting na points, for example, kung pareho yung 3 binary, 1,800, di ba? Eh may pumasok ulit na 3 binary points sa kanan mo. Tapos si starter, 1 point lang. Don't worry, magpe-pair na rin yan. 1 point to 1 point, 600 pesos. Eh may pumasok na builder, 2 points sa kaliwa ulit. May natirang 2 points sa kanan, di ba? 2 points, pairing, 1,200. Ganun po kaganda ang sales volume commission natin. Importante lang, meron ka na agad isa para qualified ka na to receive the pairing kapag merong spillover sa other side. Okay? Ganun po kaganda yung ating sales volume commission. For pay plan number 4, we have the repeat sales commission or what we call the unilevel. Ang maganda rito, kahit user pack, you are entitled to earn from the purchases. Lahat po ng bibili ng members under you from level 1 to 10. Kailangan lang active ang account mo. And to be active, you just have to buy products no, with certain personal PV. So let's take a look for user. No po, dahil ang binili mo sabon, kailangan every month bibili ka rin ng sabon to keep your account active. Kasi 40 personal PV po ang sabon. Pero hindi na presyo nung package nyo. Distributor price na. Imagine, napaka-affordable ng maintenance natin. Ano po? Pag starter or builder ka, 80 personal PV. Premium are achiever rank, 120 personal PV. Rising Star, 160. And the highest, which is Master Rank, 200 personal PV lang to keep your account active. Okay? Ano po yun? Abay, kailangan mo rin yun to keep yourself healthy. Kasi ang 200 PV ay equivalent sa isang bote ng F3 factor. O, di ba? O, habang umiinom ka, dahil kailangan mo yan every day, then your account is also active. Once your account is active, you are now eligible to earn from level 1 to 10 ng PV ng binili ng members mo. Sa user, 6% from level 1 to 10. Starter and builder, 7%. Achiever and premium, 8%. Rising Star, 9%. And kapag master rank ka na, 10% from level 1 to 10. So for example, ano, na talaga namang bumibili ng bumibili yung iyong mga members. And every month, makikita nyo po dito sa atin, no? Assumption, apat-apat lang po yan, ha? And sa 10th level mo, master rank ka, you have the potential to earn 1,297,040 pesos. Imagine, monthly po yan. That's our pay plan number 4. The number 5 is what we call the income multiplier or account auto reactivation. Wala pa tong yearly renewal. Lifetime membership nga tayo, di ba? Sa other companies, meron yan. You have to renew your account every year. Sa atin, automatic na po, no? Because every time may pairing ka, eto na naman, galing na naman to sa pairing natin. Okay, every time mag-pair yan, may na-generate na reactivation fund subsidy. Iniipon po yan. At pag yan umabot ng 9,980, your account will be automatically reactivated. Wow, hindi ka nagbayad, na-reactivate yung account mo. At kapag na-reactivate ang account mo, you will get a free premium package of your choice. Wow, libre na namang premium pack. Libreng products. Paulit-ulit for every 67 pairs ng premium packages, marireactivate ang account mo. Okay. At alam nyo ba na hindi lang yan. Kung ikaw ang direct sponsor nung reactivated account, you will again earn a package sales commission of 998. So imagine, sorry, para kang nagkaroon ng bagong member uli, may 998 direct referral ka na naman. At kung na-reactivate naman ay nasa weak leg, o di ba, ang strong leg mo, may mga points dyan. E na-reactivate yung nasa weak leg. What will happen? You will earn another pairing commission or sales volume commission of 1,800 pesos cash. Wow, exciting, diba? Para talagang may pumasok na naman na bagong member na premium account. And magge-generate uli yan na reactivation fund. So nag-iipon ka na naman. No, nakakadagdag sa reactivation fund mo. It will also generate reward points. Ano naman yung reward points? That is actually our pay plan number 6. O, di ba? These are built-in incentives. Okay. So may tatlo pong pinanggagalingan itong reward points na to. Again, from the pairing. Ano-ano nga lang yan? Ang dami palang nanggagaling sa pairing natin. Ganyan po kaganda ang pairing. First, you have cash. Sales volume commission, di ba? Maximum of 1,800 for 3 binary points. Hindi po maximum per day yan, ha? Kung hindi yung 3 points, yan. Then, number 2, we have the reactivation fund. Okay? Nare-reactivate yung account. And number 3 is this, reward points. For every 3 binary points, may 750 reward points. 2 binary points, 500 reward points. And for every 1 binary pair na points, 250 reward points. Kaya po ang ating pairing, pares overload po yan. Yan. Kasi talaga namang napakaraming benefits coming from the pairing or binary program natin. Then also, from our uni level, nakaka-accumulate ka rin ng reward points. For every level, every member from level 1 to 10, you earn 5% of the PV ng repeat purchases ng members mo, regardless of rank. No po, 5% po yan fixed. Kaya malaki rin po yan. And the third source ng reward points ay what we call gift points. Ito po ay para sa gold members. Ayan, di ba? Kaya sabi ko, win-win ka kapag ka gold premium package ang binili mo. Okay, for every gold package, you get one gift point. Okay? Pagka naman, repeat purchases ng old members, nag-accumulate po yan ng gold value. Pag naka-accumulate yung member ng 1,600 gold value, equivalent yun sa 1 gift point. So pag nag-carry yan, you will receive 4,000 reward points. Wow, di ba? So, unlimited depth. Yan po ang ating Pay Plan 6. At yan pong reward points na yan, yan po ay pwede nyong i-redeem. Pwedeng pang gadget, pwedeng pang travel, pwedeng pang car plan. Can you imagine na wala po yung, unlike yung mga promo na running for 6 months lang, at kapag hindi mo na-reach, tapos na. Ito po hindi, patuloy ang accumulation ng reward points mo pagka pwede mo nang i-redeem for down payment ng kotse, you can do that. Gusto mong i-redeem yung monthly amortization ng kotse mo, you can also do that. Gusto mong mag-tour kasi may kotse ka na, then you can redeem your reward points. Even gadget. No po? So built-in na po yan. No? Kaya palakihin mo lang ang partners mo, tulungan mo, palakihin mo yung network mo, yung grupo mo, you will get your lifestyle incentives. Okay? And the seventh incentive or pay plan number 7 is what we call the performance bonus. Ito pong performance bonus na ito ay nanggagaling sa benta ng packages at ng loose products. Ang ginawa ng company, lahat ng packages, may certain amount na inilalagay siya dito sa performance bonus pool. For example, sa starter pack, 25 pesos, builder pack, 50, premium pack, 75, and platinum package, 800 pesos. Even yung user pack, meron din. 2 pesos and 50. For every loose products that we purchase, 10% po ng PV nung product na binibili natin ay napupunta sa performance bonus pool. Kaya po ito, tuloy-tuloy. Ina-accumulate po yan monthly, and by every end of the month, yan po ay equally divided sa qualifiers. Okay? Sino po ang qualifiers? The first 1,000 na makaka-reach ng qualification. First come, first serve. No po? So ano po ba yung requirements to qualify? You go through the master rank program natin, wherein to reach the master rank, meron kang 12 direct referrals kahit na user pack lang, and you have accumulated 100,000 personal sales. Okay? Kaya naman yan ay kailangan na nating gawin. Keep on sponsoring people and sell as well. Share the products. No po? Kapag kaya nabuo nyo at qualified pa, kulang pa yung 1,000, pasok ka pa, then walang demotion yan. All you have to do is to keep your account active every month. Di ba? So, yun po yung first way to qualify the Rank Advanced Program. And second way is to purchase a platinum package. Total, gusto mo naman ng 6 months regimen. Ay, dibilin mo na yung platinum. And then get 2 direct referrals, 2 members. Sabi mo, ang dami kong trabaho as a professional. No? Ako'y doktor or ako'y engineer or whatnot. No? So, you can sponsor yourself. Kasi alam po tayo after 3 accounts. Imagine, kahit user pack lang, pero wag naman, platinum ka eh. Get a premium package for the 2 of your accounts, di ba? Yung dalawa, edi qualified ka na sa performance bonus. Or if you want to become a stockist or FWC store, then get to direct referral or refer yourself again, then you qualify para po dito sa performance bonus pool kapag pasok ka pa sa first 1,000 qualifiers. Naku, pasok pa ba kayo? Well, good news. Kasi nag-i-start pa naman ang Fulgent. Hindi po kami masyadong hype. Tahimik lang kami. We are relying on the efficacy of the product, kaya word of mouth. No po? Kaya po, gumaganda ng gumaganda. Do you know na 322 pa lang ang qualified sa performance bonus? Kaya naman po, kayang-kaya pa nating humabol. Okay? So dito po sa performance bonus pool, every month po equally divided yan sa qualifiers. Okay? Grabe. So we have 7 very exciting uh, rewards or incentives dito po as partners or affiliate. Did you know na ang Fulgent, ang meaning ay shining brightly? Kaya naman po dito sa atin, dito sa Fulgent Wellness, we cry, together we shine. Ayan, yan po yung ating tagline. And special promo. Yan, before ako talaga magtapos, meron po tayong special promo. Para po sa ating FWC store na 500,000, okay? Only at this point, no po, you will receive additional 50,000 worth of loose products at e-com price. Libre na po yan, pero walang code, no? So, pwede niyong ibenta yan directly or for your personal use. Meron ka pang free 5 premium packages of your choice with codes. So, pwede mong ipang-pa-member. Wow! And you have, pero sa free products po dito, sa beverages, up to 5,000 lang. 'Di ba? Yung 50,000 worth po na loose products, pumili ka ng ibang products, hindi puro beverage. So, for 5,000 lang. Sa stocks package naman, for only 200,000, you also get free 5 premium packages with codes, FS codes. So po, kaya po pwede nyong ipang-pa-member din. And when you buy a platinum package, you will get free, tatlo, 3 free premium packages of your choice. Wow, isang free slot and dalawang commission deduction codes. Okay, wow, panalong panalo talaga, di ba? For every premium gold package, yung pong win-win natin na package, you get 1 free package of your choice. Wow, additional na naman. No code. Okay? For every premium package naman, the 9980, you get 1 free starter pack of your choice. And for every starter pack, wow, kahit ba yung 3380 na package, may free pa rin? Yes. You get free 1 box of Fulgent Gold Coffee. Wow, napaka-exciting po. Kaya pong itong year na to, talaga namang Fulgent is bolder, is stronger talaga po, ano, and talagang encouraging us to get more people. Share po natin yung napakagandang opportunity na to. Remember, ito pong ating promo on entry packages is running from January 4 to January 30 only this month. Kaya po kailangan takbuhan na to. Okay? Maximize nyo po, no? Get more people on your team.